Many times in my career, I've had clients call me and say, I was in an automobile accident, and the day after the accident, the at fault driver's insurance company called me, came to my house, and gave me a check. And they say to me, what should I do with that check? And the simple, easy answer is never accept a check from the at fault driver's insurance company the day after the accident. You have no idea what your injuries are. You have no idea what type of medical treatment you might need. If you're going to miss time from work, you don't have any idea about that at all. And insurance companies are very smart, and they have departments set up and specific adjusters set up just to deal with people who have not yet gotten an attorney to handle their automobile accident case. And many times these adjusters come out to my client's house and they don't really tell them the full truth of what they're entitled to. I've had so many clients tell me that all they were entitled to, according to the insurance adjuster for the at-fault driver's insurance company, was the 20% of the medical bills that are not paid by their own insurance. And I say to those clients, did they ever ask you about mental anguish or tell you about mental anguish? No. Did they ever tell you about pain and suffering, that you might be entitled to that? No. Did they ever tell you about or talk about your wage loss if you miss any time from work? No, they never do. And insurance companies know that they need to get out there right away before an injured victim gets an attorney, because once they get an attorney, the attorney's going to explain all those things to them. The attorney's going to make sure that they get the proper medical treatment that they need and they deserve for the case. And there's no rush to settle the case. Make sure that we know exactly what the injuries are, exactly what the damages are before we attempt to settle the case. So these insurance companies know they got to get out there right away. Never accept a check from an insurance adjuster a couple of days after the accident. In fact, I can give you a specific example. Last year, I had a client call me involved in a bad automobile accident, and the at-fault driver's insurance company came out to their house and gave them a check for $2,000 2 days after the accident. The client had not signed the check, had not signed the release, and so what did we do? We sent the check and the release back, and we told the insurance company that your adjuster that you sent out did not give our client all the proper information about what they might be entitled to and kind of lied to them. And that case settled for well over $100,000 several months after that. So if you're in an accident, do not accept a check from the at-fault driver's insurance company, and please call me right away. I'm here to help you.